Hey guys, I just wanted to share a quick little video clip here. If you remember, I had the strut bar installed here. So I had it like that for a while, and I went ahead and removed it because I really wanted to see, the difference, if I could tell any difference, and then share that with you guys. I couldn't tell a whole bunch, and I've heard these things really don't do a whole lot, especially on stock suspension. Supposedly it ties it together, but there's people saying it's more of a placebo effect. So from my experience, it wasn't a huge thing. Maybe the only thing I could tell was if you cornered really hard, it would hold it maybe a little bit tighter, it felt in the corner. But it's extreme. I mean, you'd have to really take a corner almost too fast. There's the bar I had, the Ultra Racing. Nice bar. I mean, it looked really good. Fits perfect. But I would recommend getting one of these if you had some suspension modification done. If you lowered your car, it'd be perfect. It would help tie that all in. Get a bigger rear sway bar would help. Or if you're on air, all that kind of stuff, I could definitely see it helping. But on a stock height car, it really doesn't do much. The best part about it looked pretty nice in the engine compartment, like a little brace. Like if you got the rear one here, I would recommend doing the front. But on a stock car, don't expect a whole lot from it. But like I said, if you just did it for the visuals, it looks good, but I wouldn't spend hundreds of dollars for one. Okay, just wanted to share my experience with that. If any questions, comments, drop them below. I'll definitely get back to you. Hope everyone's doing great out there, and I'll see you on the next one.